Hi, this is Henrietta, and this is how you take a test remotely.
Today, you are going to take a test remotely. This video is going to show you how to sign into the secure browser and start your test. The person giving you this test might be your teacher or someone else, but for this video, we will refer to the person giving you your test as your teacher. Before we learn how to sign in, I must remind you about a few things. Just like all the other tests you have taken remotely this year, no one can help you during the test. Your phone and other devices must be put away. You cannot have any books or notes with you. You can have scratch paper and a pencil. Your teacher must be able to see you the whole time, and you will be able to ask them questions.
Before you take the test, you need to make sure that you have your SSID number from your teacher. Your teacher will give that number to you. You also need to make sure that you have the session ID for the test. Then you will go to Apps right here at the bottom. Click and go to Secure Test Browser. Then you will select California, will automatically pop up California Assessment System, and click OK. Then this is where you will put your first name here. Then you will type in your SSID number. It is 10 digits long. And then down here, you will type in your session ID that your teacher gave you. And then you will go ahead and click Sign In. So one important thing we really want to make sure you understand is when this says Operational Test Site, that means you are taking the actual SBAC test or LPAC test or interim assessment. All right, that's the only time you use this. When you are practicing, you click on Practice, and you notice it changed green, and also this changed to Guest. So whenever you're on that part, if you're practicing, you're in the right spot. This screen is when you're actually taking the SBAC, the LPAC, or the interim assessment.
Sign in, you will see a screen with your first name and other information about you. If all of the information is correct, select the Yes button. If you still can't sign in, exit the browser and ask your teacher for help. The next screen will show you all the tests that you might be taking. Choose the test you are supposed to take today. Now you will wait for your test to be approved. Next, it is time to do the audio and sound checks. For the camera check, select the checkbox. When your video appears, select the green I See Myself button. After that, you will make sure the computer can record your voice. Press the microphone button. Describe what you are wearing today, press stop, and then press play to listen to your recording. The I Heard My Recording button will become green after you listen to the recording. If you can hear your recording, select the green button. Now you will need to check if the sound and video on your computer are working. Press the play button. If you can hear the music and see the moving musical notes, select the green I could play the video and sound button. Finally, you will complete the text-to-speech check. Press the speaker button to hear the voice. If any of the checks don't work, select the button that says it didn't work, and the system will help you solve the problem. When the Instructions and Help screen appears, select Begin Test Now. The help guide gives you information about the tools available to use during the test. That's it! Now you will be in the test session. Let's talk about how to communicate with your teacher during the test. There will be a widget with the live video of yourself on the bottom right corner. You can use the arrow buttons to move it to a different corner. If you click on this widget, you will see a larger image of yourself. You will also see all the options for communicating with your teacher. If you need to get your teacher's attention, you can select the raise hand icon on the sidebar of the widget. You can also send your teacher a message. Select the messages icon to switch from video view to chat view. Your teacher might call you. If they do, it will automatically pop up on your screen. Your teacher can also make an announcement to all of the students at once. You can read this message or listen to it again by pressing the blue play button. If at any point you need to step away from your computer during the test, select the raise hand icon and wait to get your teacher's attention. You must pause your test by selecting the pause button and then selecting yes. Never leave your computer unattended. The test will take you back to the sign-in page, and you'll have to log in and complete the checks again to return to the question you were on. Once you are finished with your test and ready to submit it, select the red End Test button at the top left of your screen. Select Yes to confirm that you are ready to end the test. You will see a screen which shows that you've reached the end of the test. For some tests, you may have the option on this screen to review any questions before submitting the test. When you're ready, select Submit Test and select Yes. Finally, you will see the test summary screen. Select the green Log Out button. That's it! If you are taking more than one test today, you will repeat the sign-in process for each test you take.
Good luck and do your best on the test!